How to grow your Facebook page fast. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get more followers on your Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, at the tip number one, you'll have to just post any contents regularly on your Facebook page. For that, make sure that you are posting high quality content at least 3 to 5 times at a week. So you have to just use videos, reels and images to keep your page active and engaging. So you have to just post it regularly. Tip number two, use Facebook Reels and Stories. For that, you'll have to just upload the Reels on your Facebook page. Like Reels are pushed down by the algorithm and add trending audio and clear attention grabbing caption on that might be help you to reach out on Facebook. So you have to just do that. Tip number three, you can go with the option invite and engage. You'll have to manually invite people who like your post to follow your page. Also reply to comment and ask simple question to boost interaction. And after you done all of these tips from here, these tips may take time but they are 100% real and effective. So you have to just regularly follow this tip. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.